I'm Alexa, and I'll be walking you through how to create a routine in Zamplo. Routines can be created for anything, whether you want to track changes in your mental health, find out more about the side effects of a certain treatment, or looking to create new habits. To begin, open the Zamplo app. From the dashboard, navigate to the bottom and click on More. Then scroll down to Routines. Here is where you can find your saved routines. Go ahead and click on the orange Add button near the top. Now enter the name of your routine. For this tutorial, we'll be tracking cycling sessions. To do this, we'll click on Activity and type Cycling. Here you can select from the pre-populated suggestions or create a custom entry. Next, select how you want to measure the activity. You can also add any additional information you want to track in your routines, such as medications, symptoms, and health data. For this example, let's add back pain as a symptom and measure it on a scale of 1 to 10. Next, click on Reminder to set a notification for when you want to be reminded to track this routine. Reminders can be set as needed, and if your routine doesn't need a reminder, feel free to skip this step. Once you are done, click Save, and that's it! You have now created a routine, and every time you log in, you can scroll down and enter your routine with